In this video, I'll be making striped honeybee nails. Here are the tools that I used. I started with the pastel yellow polish. Now I'm taking my liner brush and brown acrylic paint and painting the edge of the nail. Using the same brush, I'm painting 2 curved stripes. I'm fixing my edges a bit with my wooden nail stick. Since I use acrylic paint and not gel polish, this just helps me make my designs a bit more neat. And before I continue with the flower, I'm going to go ahead and add a quick drying nail polish on top. That way, if I mess up with the flower, I can wipe it off as many times as I need to without erasing the stripes. Now taking my dotting tool and white acrylic paint, I'm creating 5 petals. And using orange, I'm creating a dot in the center. For the next design, I made 3 flowers using the same steps as before. Then taking a very light pastel yellow, I made an oval. Using a round brush in white, I made 2 wings. Then I went over with my light yellow to paint any of the white that overlapped on the body. Then I added a top coat to seal in what I had so far. Now taking a thin liner brush and the same brown as I used with the stripes, I'm outlining the entire bee and creating a little triangle for his stinger. Next, I'm using a tiny dotting tool for his eye and creating 2 stripes. I'm painting a squiggly line as if he was buzzing around the flowers. You can paint this as individual little lines, but I'm gonna go over with my wooden stick and I'm gonna wet it a little bit and use that to erase parts of my line. My dashed lines were thicker than I wanted, so I went over and thinned them out. Then I went over with a glossy top coat to finish all the nails. These were fun to make. I think they came out really cute. I hope you liked them as well, and I'll see you in the next one.